Eddie Strutman likes to make sure that we communicate that the housing is going to be dignified housing. And I've seen the floor plans and the elevations that have been done, and these places are really going to be beautiful. The buildings will be block houses, and the quality of the construction is going to be excellent. We expect the properties to have fairly low maintenance, which will help in terms of their ongoing service to the community. We envision this property with 40 dwelling places, 40 beautiful homes going on, for maybe a century, and we're in for the long term here. And they're 3-bedroom, 2-bath, comfortable places for a husband and a wife to raise, up to 4 kids in any of the units, So best case scenario, we're looking at 6 times 40, 200. We have occupancy for 240 people. Now, realistically, we'll probably come in at around 161 or so because of, the sizes of the families and so on. So those folks who do come here in the way of just a bricks and mortar perspective, they're going to have a great experience.